Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on an often overlooked but absolutely crucial component for any studio setup, the power cord. Specifically, this is the 6FT1.8 MUL listed power cord cable designed for Mackie MR5mk3 and MR6mk3 5.25, 6.52-way powered studio monitors. For anyone relying on their Mackie monitors for critical listening or production, a reliable power source is non-negotiable. This particular cable, from the brand XMHEIRD and manufactured by Shenzhen Movaforest Electric Appliance Industry Co., Ltd., aims to provide just that, with a strong emphasis on safety and compatibility. One of the first things to note is its UL listing. This isn't just a fancy sticker. It signifies that the product has been tested by underwriters' laboratories and meets stringent safety standards. For power accessories, this certification offers significant peace of mind, ensuring the cable is built to prevent electrical hazards. The generous 6-foot, or 1.8-meter, length is also highly practical, offering ample reach for most studio configurations without creating unnecessary clutter or requiring extension cords. Delving into the technical specifications, this power cord is designed for a universal input of AC 100V 240V at 5060 Hz. This broad compatibility means it can be used globally, making it a versatile option for musicians and producers who might travel or work in different regions. Safety performance is a major highlight for this product. The AC adapter charger has passed FCC tests, further reinforcing its adherence to safety regulations. Beyond basic compliance, it incorporates cutting-edge materials and features V0 grade flame retardant properties. This means the material itself is designed to resist ignition and self-extinguish, significantly reducing fire risk. Furthermore, it includes OVP over voltage protection, OCP over current protection, and SCP short circuit protection. These layers of protection are vital for safeguarding not only the power cord itself, but, more importantly, the valuable Mackie Studio monitors it powers from potential electrical damage. Such comprehensive safety features truly set it apart from generic alternatives. Compatibility is clearly defined. It's specifically made for the Mackie MR5mk3 and MR6mk3 5.25, 6.52-way powered studio monitors. Users are always advised to reference the full list of compatible models in the product description to ensure a perfect match for their specific equipment. This dedicated design ensures optimal performance and a secure fit, avoiding the issues that can arise from using ill-fitting or under-spec'd cables. Finally, the manufacturer stands behind this product with a robust warranty. It comes with a 30 days hassle-free return policy and a 12 months replacement exchange. This level of customer support demonstrates confidence in the product's quality and provides users with a worry-free purchasing experience. Whether one needs a reliable replacement for a lost or damaged cord, a spare for a mobile setup, or simply an upgrade to a safer, UL-listed option, this XMHEIRD power cord presents itself as a highly dependable choice for Mackie monitor owners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.